Okay, the medium resolution wireframe is really coming together here nicely. We're actually winding down. We only have the news feed and, once again, that minor change on the footer, and then this media query is complete, which is great. So let's go after the news feed, the list of articles there, whatever you want to call it. Just like we did with the high resolution, what I'm going to do for these guys is I'm going to be defining two separate areas, if you will. So the article itself and then the news class, okay? Now, once again, if you would like a quick refresher on the structure here, head to your HTML file and look for your news feed area. And there's our article, of course, and there's the news div, which is under the control, of course, of a class rule called news. Okay, so those are the two guys that I'm going to go and get under control here, at least for now, inside the external style sheet. So once again, I think what I'll do is I will start things off with article, okay, like so. And I'm going to set this guy's width also to a scaling width, just as we've done a couple of times already here. I'm going to go 95%. Okay, you're welcome to monkey with this a little bit if you want. And I'm going to put a little bit of space over on his left-hand side. So margin hyphen left. All right. And I'm going to go 10 pixels. Wonderful. All right. Now, how about the class called news? Let's go after this guy. Pretty much the same as we saw earlier with the high resolution. So I'm going to put some space beneath these guys. So margin hyphen bottom, and I'm going to go with 20 pixels. That's it. That's all we need to do for our article area or our news feed. Go ahead and check it out inside your browser. There we go. So once again, just a little bit of minor spacing going on there. Okay, and it's going to be flexible, of course, because we set the width to 95%. So we're getting this sort of action when we scale the browser window. Okay? All right, there we go. We only have the footer left, and then we can move on.